Hey, today I'm going to make another airboat using this old Eachine Voyager boat hull, this 2300 one-cell battery from a really old FPV monitor, and this Eachine micro quad. So let's see it. So I have this boat now. What would you call this, Erica? How would you name this boat?
The Bust Down Tatiana.
Okay, we're not calling it that. It's very slow, but it does move. Oh, and it's stuck on a rock. So, give a little nudge here.
Ah.
I wonder if I could do a really big turn. Look, it does.
It does function.
That's a bit of a draft. I think I need bigger props. Yes, it is going.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Eric Markson, back at it again. Lucas is over here. He's flying, or he's trying to be a little kid again, drive his boat.
I'm telling it to turn to the left. Let's see if it does anything.
And he's trying to turn.
It has some control.
It has some control.
It turn.
You see all of the beetles moving around it.
So fast.
Look at all the beetles moving around it.
Still going.
Still going.
Great as Lucas fan. I was really crazy. Still going.
Still going. Oh, big bug right there. Disguised as not a bug, but it's a bug.
That? Is that a bug?
Yeah, look.
Okay, we have more important matters at hand, Erica. It's turning full left. Will it actually turn? A slight turn. Is it gonna hit the rock? Yes, it is. And it's stuck? Yes, it is. This thing's kind of cool looking though. Can I unstick it? It has a lot more control authority when it's not moving. Especially when it's something stuck on the middle of it like this. I'm able to turn it. Unstick it. And it's going back over there for the third time.
We're doing ASMR.
ASMR.
Wait.